Hi everyone, we are offline students of Divya English Speaking Academy. In this video, we want to do a small conversation on basic introduction, question, answer. So let's get started.
Yes, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Asha, and you?
My name is Nehu. Okay, Asha, where are you from?
I am from Mandi town, Himachal Pradesh in India.
Okay, what do you do? Are you student or do you work?
Yes, I am student. I read in high school.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, singing songs, and watching TV.
Okay, what do you want to become?
I want to become police officer.
Okay, that's cool. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.